Welcome to MENA MedTech Insights. Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 is pouring billions into healthcare, transforming the kingdom into a global medtech hotspot. But for device manufacturers, this gold rush comes with a new set of rules. Just last week, sources within the Saudi Food and Drug Authority, or SFDA, confirmed a major shift in their approval process. They are implementing an unofficial two-tier system, favoring devices with a significant local manufacturing component. This move aims to accelerate the kingdom's goal of domestic production, creating a complex new landscape for foreign companies. This is not just about regulation anymore. It's about aligning with a national economic mission. The core challenge for global medtech firms is this dual mandate from the SFDA. On one hand, the authority wants the world's most advanced technologies. On the other, it is tasked with building a self-sufficient local industry. This creates a regulatory environment where the old rules of simply having a superior product with solid clinical data are no longer enough. Companies are now being evaluated on their contribution to the local economy. This includes pressures for local warehousing, partnerships with Saudi distributors, and concrete plans for technology transfer, all of which must be detailed in your technical dossier. Failing to address this localization score can lead to significant delays or outright rejections, regardless of your product's clinical merit. Let's look at a real-world example of navigating this. A German company specializing in advanced wound care devices recently targeted the Saudi market. Their initial application, based on their existing CE mark and strong clinical evidence, stalled in the review process for months. The feedback was subtle but clear. Their market entry plan lacked local commitment. Taking this cue, they pivoted their strategy. Instead of just exporting the finished product, they partnered with a new facility in the Riyadh Integrated Logistics Zone to handle final sterilization and packaging. This relatively small step was a game changer. Their application was fast-tracked, and they were approved within 6 weeks, just in time to participate in a major Ministry of Health tender, where their local presence gave them a significant advantage over competitors. This case highlights a crucial observation. The most successful companies entering Saudi Arabia today are those who view the SFDA's regulations not as a barrier, but as a strategic roadmap. It is a guide to forming deeper partnerships within the kingdom. The future of market access here will depend on your ability to integrate into the local value chain. Whether it is through assembly, co-development, or clinical trials conducted in-country, your regulatory strategy must now double as your investment strategy. As the complexity of these submissions grows, leveraging AI-powered tools to manage technical dossiers and track regulatory changes becomes essential for maintaining compliance and speed. For any medtech innovators looking to navigate this complex but incredibly rewarding market, understanding these strategic nuances is the key to unlocking success. To discuss how your technology can find its place in the heart of MENA's evolving healthcare landscape, feel free to email or visit Pure Global.